How to fix your Roblox application not launching. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also having trouble when loading up your Roblox application and it's simply throws you out from your application itself or just crashes out once it opens, so there might be issue regarding the updates of the application itself because it may contain new bugs since you haven't updated it. So first thing, before trying to update, you can just always head over to your settings on your mobile device and simply scroll down and click on this apps section and just locate or just search in for Roblox application. So let me quickly locate it just like this, and once you locate it, simply scroll down and click on this storage option over here and clear all the case and just restart the application and see if it's working. So if it's still not working, what you need to do is just head over to Play Store and simply search in for Roblox application just like this. So once you're searching for that, just make sure you have updated any, if there's any update available to its latest version, so that it fixes all of the box issues. And finally, just open the Roblox application once again and it will automatically start working successfully. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.